This is how to set the clock on your Mini Cooper S Clubman estate. The one in the dash and the one on the centre console. We're going to be using the joystick control and the screen in front. So from the main menu screen, we go to settings, so we turn the dial one click anti-clockwise, press it, takes us into the setting. As you can see, it's already set to time and date, but you've got all sorts of options up and down. Go into time and date, format 24-hour, we'll leave it there. Up to time, press the OK, and as you can see, it's gone, well, this one's gone purple, so you just turn it to your correct setting for the time, press it again, you're onto your minutes, up and down with a twist, press it again, and there you are, you're set. Then you press to the left to take you out to there, press to the left again, back to the main menu, that one's reset, and that one's reset. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.